The 2027 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 is arriving with one of the biggest mechanical updates in the truck's history. Chevrolet has confirmed an all-new engine lineup that includes 4 powertrain choices, giving buyers more options whether they are looking for towing capability, everyday performance, or long-distance efficiency. One of the biggest changes is the retirement of the familiar 5.3-liter V8. Taking its place is an all-new 5.7-liter, 6th-generation small-block V8 that promises more power, stronger torque, and improved efficiency. Chevrolet has not released the official specifications yet, but the larger displacement suggests noticeable gains across the board. Drivers looking for even more performance will be able to choose a brand new 6.6-liter, 6th-generation small-block V8. This engine replaces the previous 6.2-liter V8, and Chevrolet says it will be the most powerful, naturally aspirated V8 available in its class. Final horsepower and torque numbers have not been announced, but expectations are high for this flagship engine. The popular 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel inline-6 also returns for the new generation. It continues to focus on excellent towing capability, impressive driving range, and strong fuel economy, making it an attractive option for buyers who regularly tow heavy loads or spend long hours on the highway. Chevrolet is also updating the TurboMax engine. The 2.7-liter turbocharged inline-4 remains the standard gasoline engine, but it has been revised for the new Silverado and will now be paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. That transmission is now standard across every engine in the lineup, simplifying the range while helping improve performance and efficiency. Although Chevrolet is still holding back the final horsepower, torque, towing, payload, and fuel economy figures, the new engine lineup shows the company is making a major investment in traditional internal combustion trucks. With larger V8 engines, an updated diesel, and an improved turbocharged engine, the 2027 Silverado 1500 is shaping up to be one of the most capable and versatile full-size pickups Chevrolet has ever built.